Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Hope you all are doing well. So today's video I will be doing a DIY detangler treatment, hair grow detangler moisturizing treatment. So the first ingredients is honey. So I'm going to add about 2 spoons of honey to my bowl. So you can add more or you add less, depends on your hair texture. So I'm going to add about a 2 spoons of that. So the next ingredient is aloe vera gel. So this is about a spoon and a half of aloe vera gel. You can add more, depends on your hair texture. So the next ingredient is this castor oil. So I'm going to add 1 spoon of castor oil to this treatment. So you can add more or you add less to any of these ingredients that you are seeing here. So now I'm going to add a spoon of pure almond oil. So now after adding everything, I'm going to mix this treatment. So this is my DIY hair grow oil. If you don't have this, you can use any oil of your choice. Just don't need to have it. You can also make this yourself, it's so easy. So I'm going to add about a spoon or 2 of this my hair growth oil inside my DIY treatment. So I wanted to just kind of escape the seed, but the seed did not want to escape the spoon, so I have to add everything inside. Oh my goodness. So thank you so much for my returning my new and old subscribers. Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for your love, your support. I can't thank you guys enough. So if you are seeing my video on YouTube for the first time, you click and you watch. So thank you so much for watching. Before the end of this video, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe. Remember to turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out of any of my new video. So after putting everything together, I'm just going to mix and mix so that everything can combine together very well. So the next thing now is to put it inside hot water to heat it up a little bit so that it can really penetrate your hair shaft very well. So this is winter, so you have to take your hair care to the extreme. So if you know what I mean. So in winter our hair seems to really dry more, but our scalp, so you have to ginger up your hair care routine. So this is my already shampooed hair. So this is going to act as a detangler, as a detangler and also a conditioning treatment. So this I transfer it to these little containers for easy application. So if you have an applicator bottle that have that kind of whistle mat, is it whistle that have that kind of tiny mat, so it's going to be very perfect. So mine is occupied with my DIY shampoo, so I've not finished it then. So if you have that, just transfer it inside. It's going to make the work so easy for all of us. So honey is a great moisturizer. It helps to smooth our hair follicles. It adds shine to dumb hair. So it also helps to moisturize. Our hair, our very dry hair, and also help to keep our hair shiny, like a lock-in shine to our hair. It also helps to restore the natural luster of our hair, which is so good for our hair. Our hair needs to be shining, like, when you are coming, someone will say, is that your hair? So guys, aloe vera is a great conditioning treatment. so which leave our hair so smooth and shiny. It also helps to promote hair growth, prevent itching in the scalp, and also reduce dandruff and condition our hair. So which is so good, guys. We need something that can help us to lock in moisture and also condition our hair, which is so amazing. We need that in our hair care routine. So I'm just going to continue to apply this treatment to my hair. Then I will also show you that you can really use this treatment as a detangler, guys. Yes, you can use it as a detangler. So if you want to see how I use it as a detangler, just keep watching. So guys, the nourishing oil can soften and strengthen our hair. It's rich in vitamin B7 or biotin. So almond oil helps to keep our hair healthy and strong. Can also help protect our hair for some damage, which is so good, guys. So you can use it as a hair oil or as a scalp treatment, whichever way you want to use it. So adding it to this treatment is going to work a long way, like to promote hair growth and to grow our hair strong and healthy. So guys, I'm just going to continue to apply this to my hair, and I will show you how you can also use it as a detangling treatment also. So guys, you can use this treatment once a week or twice a week, depends on how you have time to care for your health. So if you don't really have that time, just use it once a week. You are still going to get the benefits. So now I'm just using it to detangle my. So that's how you can also use it to detangle your hair as a detangler, as a living as a hair growth treatment, as a mask, or anyone that you want to use it for is going to serve you. So guys, just keep watching and I will be back after I apply it to my hair to show you how my hair is looking like now. Just keep watching. So I leave it on my hair for an hour. So this is an hour later after I've rinsed it out of my hair. This is how my hair is looking like now. So nourished, so moisturized, so mega. So guys, this is the end result of my DIY hair growth detangler. As you can see, so much goodness is going on in my hair. My hair feels so strong, like never before. So thank you guys for watching today's video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye, stay safe, ciao ciao.